10. I'm a pensioner. Will my pension income be taxed in 2026? No. Approved pension and retirement benefits are exempt from tax. Did you know the use of the word approved? Approved pension. So that is why, we already have the pension fund administrators. So if you have a pension fund administrator and you went through the process either as a government staff or as a private staff, and you have a PFA that manages your fund, nothing will be deducted. 11. Are military salaries taxable? No. The salaries of military officers are now tax exempt. So if you want to make money now, go and join military, join police, join soldier, join navy, join air force. So when you join any, because they want to encourage people that are serving us to, these are the good parts. People that are serving us, risking their life for us, any money, how much are they really paying them that they will not be taxing them again? So there is no more tax for every one of them. So all of you that have these people in your family, more money in their pockets. Do creatives, authors, musicians, sportsmen still enjoy tax exemption on foreign income? No. They must now pay Nigerian tax on their income earned within Nigeria and outside. Now this one is for all those social media influencers, creative that are making noise. I do $100 million. I do YouTube is paying me. Facebook is paying me. You better watch your mouth now. Because as YouTube is paying you, Nigeria want to collect their portion. So before now, if you're an author like me now, my book is on Amazon, my book is everywhere. So all of us, we know ourselves. We that are making money in different currencies, we have already prepared ourselves. So musicians, any money they make outside Nigeria, they don't normally pay tax. So they have account abroad, they'll keep the money there, come to Nigeria. But now, anywhere you have money, by yourself, report yourself. Are crypto gains taxable? Yes. So profit from crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets are now taxed. So don't say, my own is cryptocurrency, is a crypto wallet, I'm going to hide the wallet. There is no hiding any wallet, or the wallet you to jail. 14. Who is exempt from personal income tax? Individuals earning the national minimum wage or less, and those earning below 800,000 annually are now exempt from tax. So if the money you are earning every year is less than 800,000, what's the minimum wage in Nigeria now? 70,000. 77. Okay. So if you are earning minimum wage or less, no tax. 800,000 per annum or less, no tax. So if you are working in different organization, you put it to now sit down to look into how to calculate that. What are the new progressive tax band? Where is that one now? The new progressive tax band. Okay, it's not showing in the media. Let me go here. Okay, is there a way you guys can bring it to the middle for me? Let me, so that I can be more legible for me to see. Okay, thank you. Now, this is the new bracket now. So if you earn 0 to 800,000 every year, you will not pay taxes. Do you understand? These are the good parts now. Another good part. If you earn between 801 to 3 million every year, your tax will be 15%. Why are you doing her? Should you argue about tithes? Go and argue about that one. If you are earning 3 million and 1 to 12 million, 1 million per annum, your tax is 18%. If you are earning 12 million and 1 to 25 million per annum, your tax is 21%. If you are earning 25 million and 1 to 50 million, your tax is 23%. If you are earning 50 million and above every year, you are in 25% bracket. So by the time you are saying, oh Lord, give me a portion of the land, That's 25 plus 10. So 35 is gone. You pay government 25, you pay God 10. So those of you that are arguing with tithe, this pastor, they after, no problem. Face government. And go and be arguing. Or you choose to remain poor and remain at 800,000 so that you'll just be a poor man. Say, I don't want to pay tax. Are you seeing why you should be ready now? So you need to have prosperity mind. All these poverty mindsets, they say give, you don't want to give, you must rise above that. Because when you are making billions, 25% will not be anything, 10% will not be anything. Tell your neighbor, say, come out of poverty. So 16, if I get a big severance package when leaving my job, will I pay tax on it? You won't pay tax if it is 50 million or less. But if it is more, then the extra amount will be taxed using the progressive tax band in number 15. What does this mean? You work in an oil company, you work in a multinational, you work in a company and you are living, and they say, this one that you are living now, we want to bless you. This is your package to go. They now bless you with package. That package they are blessing you with, as long as the package is below 50 million, there is no tax. But if the package is above 50 million, let's say they bless you with 55 million, the 50 million, there is no tax. Then that 5 million on top, you will now go back to that former scale and check which percentage you will pay. If they bless you with 300 million, you will now remove the 50 million, the remaining 250, you will now pay 25% of that 250. And you are saying, no be give, they give you. 17, if I earn dividends or rent from abroad, will Nigeria tax it? Listen very well. Dividends, interest, rent, royalty earned from outside Nigeria are exempt from tax, provided they are brought into Nigeria through approved. Hello, are you seeing this angle now? They wanted to bring the money. And guess what? When you are bringing the money, what's the approved channel? Through the bank to bank transfer. So you will do it. That will help the exchange rate. It will help foreign income. So they are encouraging you to repatriate the money back to Nigeria. Number 18, if a soldier or anyone in the armed forces gets injured in service and start receiving disability pension, will it be taxed in Nigeria? No. Disability pensions earned by the soldier or anyone in the armed forces will completely be tax exempt. 19. My uncle wants to start an agricultural company next year. Will his company be taxed in Nigeria? No. Agricultural company, such as those in crop production, livestock, forestry, dairy, cocoa processing, will enjoy a 5-year tax holiday from the day they begin operation. Everybody go to farm. Everybody go to farm. This is one of the best one. You know I'm a farmer now. I've launched my palm tree. I've launched my palm tree business. So from 2026 to 2031, no tax. I'm into farming now. You never hear Madiba palm tree. I'm into palm tree now. I'm a farmer now. So you have to look for how to just go out. So because what they want is everybody, Operation Feed the Nation. Let's all go into farming to feed our country. So all of you that are not doing farming, better rush into farming now. Number 20. Is income from federal or state government bond taxable? No. All government bonds are exempt from tax. Are you seeing where you should be putting your money now? So you buy shares, you do bonds, federal bond, state bond, you do farming, real estate, anything farming, real estate, you put your money there. So these are how you know where to put money. That's how rich people think. They look for the way. And then, so immediately I said, so yeah, come on, we're going to farming. It's time. That's what, so by January now, I'm launching my farm company. Hello. Now, 21. What does rent relief entail under the new tax law? I'll need this one in the middle again now. Rent relief. Guys, please help me bring it here. Okay. Please listen. From 2026, individuals can claim rent relief of 20% of the annual rent paid, but capped at 500,000. So, as an individual, when you want to do your taxes, whatever rent you are paying every year, government is now saying 500 out of your rent, remove it, no tax, which is very good. Some of you, so if your rent is 500, by the time you remove 500 from your salary and everything, you see how more money will come. Now, for instance, if your yearly rent is 5 million, 20% will be 1 million. But the law caps it at 500,000. To enjoy this relief, you must declare your actual rent and provide the details to the relevant tax authority. So all of you that are renting house without agreements, no receipts, they just collect money, just packing. No, make sure everything is documented, because the deduction must be proven with documents. 22, I earn 6 million year, total tax of 896. Now, new law. Let's go to the, is it under the next slide again? Okay, next slide. So, inside the new law now, rent relief is 500, but you must declare the actual rent. Taxable income is 600, 6 million minus 5, become 5.5. Applying the new band, your first 800 is 0. Do you understand now? So you now remove the first 800 again. Your next 2.2 will be at 15%. Then the remaining 2.5 will be at 18%. So under the new tax law, your tax will now reduce from 896 to 780, saving you 116, and this will increase your net take home. Do you understand? But now, how many of you can do this calculation? That's why wherever you are working now, make sure your office sits down, everybody, account department, you all sit down on how to ensure that every staff of the company is benefiting from this maximally. 23. If my company's turnover is below 50 million, will I pay taxes? No. Small companies under 50 million turnover are exempt from taxes. Hello? So now, please listen, what does this mean? If your turnover every year is less than 50 million, your company will not pay tax. This is another good one. Your company will not pay tax at all. 0. All you need is record. And you know that many of you, you are not doing 50 million, but you have to be ready to pay tax because you must do more than 50 million. Hello? Now, the other way, listen, is now, that means you may now have to have plenty companies. No, it's a tax summit now. We are here to tell you. So that means you can now have 4 companies. This company for this one, this company for this one, this company for this one, this company for this one. So that one that all your different things are coming into one account, and there are different things you are doing, is going to put you in trouble. Because some of you now, you are sewing clothes. The same you are a caterer. The same you are doing Uber. The same you are an influencer. Those are 4 different companies. But because you don't want to have plenty accounts, you are not understanding, you now open one account. Person, Uber money will enter, fashion money will enter, catering money will enter. So you will now go and open Josephine Catering. That's one company. Hello? Josephus or Josephine Fashion Limited. No. They are different entities. Registered with different CAC number, different TIN number. It's a legal thing, it's not illegal. Do you understand? But let me now ask you, how many companies you want to open because of 50 million? If you want to be doing 50 billion, you see that sometimes of this is so. Just get ready for prosperity. Hello? 24. As a remote worker in Nigeria for an international organization, will I pay tax? Please give me get a microphone for my panelists. Yes, you will pay tax in Nigeria if the country where the international organization is based exempts your salary under a treaty of diplomatic arrangement. So, if you are working, those of you that work remotely and earn dollars from different countries. Now, because you don't reside in that country, most of you, they pay you your full money without deducting tax. So if that company you are working for in Germany, in Sweden, in Norway, in Canada, if that company does not deduct tax and they send all the money to you in dollars or naira here, you will pay tax. But if they have already deducted tax, because maybe they have a company policy to say, okay, every money that goes, so then when he comes here, you collect your document from them to prove that they have taxed you, that money will not be taxed. Finally, will a foreigner, any salary in Nigeria be taxed? No. If their employer is a startup or operates in tech or the creative arts, and their income is already taxed in their country of residence, so you can employ anybody to work for you in Nigeria, as long as their country is collecting their tax, Nigeria will not collect their tax.